Right guys, that's that. I give it a quick rub of the wire brush to knock all the loose particles off of it. And what I've done now is I have treated it with stuff called Oatrol oil. I'll show you the can there now. That's the stuff I'm using. It's a paint conditioner, but it's also a rust inhibitor. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to leave that on there for 3 or 4 days, let it soak in properly, get it properly sorted. I'm going to come along then, give it a good tear of the grinder, clean it all down. And because that Oatrol oil is a paint conditioner, I can paint with that in place, and it will actually blend into the paint, and I can get a proper rust barrier up there. So now that I've that done, the next job on the list, oh god, is this, is the leak number 2, major leak number 2. Now I don't know if you can see it up there, guys. There you go. Nice green headliner. It's actually pretty disgusting. So the next job is to pull that headliner down, take it off completely, and because I'm dumping it, and get myself get this leak sorted. All right, guys. See you later.